Xiaomi V188 Drone 8K Dual Camera, GPS, Brushless Motor, Optical Flow, Obstacle Avoidance, RGB Lighting, Foldable FPV Quadcopter. Experience superior aerial photography and smooth flight with the Xiaomi V188 Drone, a high-performance GPS-enabled quadcopter designed for creators, enthusiasts, and explorers. Engineered with dual 8K HD cameras, RGB gradient lighting, brushless motors, and optical flow positioning. The V188 delivers outstanding visual quality, flight precision, and nighttime visibility, all in a sleek, foldable body weighing just 210 grams, perfect for bypassing drone registration in most countries. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pilot, the Xiaomi V188 makes professional-level flying and filming easier than ever. Key features: 8K Dual HD camera system with ISO stabilization. Front camera. Wide-angle 8K Wi-Fi camera for ultra-clear aerial images. Bottom camera. HD optical flow camera with electronic image stabilization, ISO. Support for horizontal, vertical, and overhead shooting. Remote camera angle adjustment via the servo head. Brushless motors for power and durability. Offers better wind resistance, quieter operation, and a longer lifespan. More reliable than brushed motor systems. RGB gradient and searchlights. Custom RGB lighting on the body and motors for visibility and aesthetics. Top-mounted searchlight enhances visibility during night flights. Perfect for low-light environments and creative nighttime shoots. GPS plus optical flow dual positioning. GPS enables precise positioning, auto return to home, and lost signal return. Optical flow ensures stable indoor hovering and altitude hold, even without GPS. Beginner-friendly with point lock, height hold, and headless mode. 360 degrees obstacle avoidance module, optional. Automatically detects and avoids obstacles. Enhances safety during complex flight paths or tight spaces. Gesture control and smart flight modes. Take photos or start recording with simple hand gestures. Intelligent features. Waypoint flight, trajectory drawing, one key return, surround flight, and follow mode. High-capacity battery for long flight time. Comes with a 3.7 volts 2200 mAh lithium battery. Delivers up to 15 minutes of real flight time per charge. Compact, lightweight and registration-free. Total weight: 210 grams, below most national drone registration thresholds. Foldable arm design makes it portable and travel-ready. Control and connectivity: 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology for stable, long-distance control. App mobile phone control. Live FPV video, settings, route drawing, and gesture commands. Low battery warning. Alerts you when battery is low to ensure safe landings. Lost connection recovery. Automatically reconnects and can be recalled. Package contents: 1 Xiaomi V188 Drone. 1 remote controller. 1 2200 mAh drone battery, modular. 8 spare propeller blades. 1 USB charging cable. 1 screwdriver tool. 1 user manual. 2 Wi-Fi setup guides. 1 built-in HD dual camera system. Optional. 1 times obstacle avoidance module. Ideal for travel vloggers, real estate aerial surveys, social media content creators, beginner FPV drone pilots, night photography enthusiasts. Bonus highlights: one-click takeoff, landing, gesture photo and video, GPS auto return and lost signal protection, headless mode for easy navigation, smartphone app control with FPV streaming. Technical specifications: front camera 8K wide-angle HD, Wi-Fi FPV, bottom camera HD optical flow with ISO. Shooting modes: horizontal, vertical, overhead. Motor type brushless. Battery 3.7 volts 2200 mAh Li-ion. Flight time approximately 15 minutes. Transmission distance varies with environment, Wi-Fi based, frequency 2.4 GHz. Obstacle avoidance optional head sensor module. GPS yes, with return to home, tracking. Optical flow yes, with height hold and stability. LED lights RGB gradient plus searchlight. Size, unfolded, approximately 33 cm wingspan. Balance scale weight approximately 210 grams, no registration required.